Hey, welcome back. Tonight we're going to do a very quick video. We're going to do asparagus. I already washed it and everything, so I'm just going to show you how I prep it and how I make mine. Stay tuned. Okay, as I said, I already have them washed. So I'm just going to take a handful and I'm going to lay them on this chopping board. Okay, so we want to cut them right about here. Just cut the ends off. We don't need that part. Okay. And now, here we are. We have this, and I got butter already in the skillet, warming up. And all I'm using is a little seasoning and chopped garlic for my asparagus. Okay, as I said, this is going to be really, really quick because it doesn't take long. So I got the butter all melted up. We're going to drop in, this is about a tablespoon of chopped garlic. We're just going to throw that in there. Okay, you want to just saute your garlic. Don't let it burn though. Okay, you just want to, yeah. Okay, after 1 minute, once you get that aroma going, then you want to just toss your asparagus in the skillet. Just layer them in there. And then just coat them with the butter. And keep stirring it around. Don't let your garlic burn. Okay, I have my fire on medium. I'm going to cut it down to medium low to keep my garlic from burning. And I'm going to just let these simmer in this butter and garlic for about 3 minutes. And then I'm going to turn them over. Okay, so we're going to let these simmer like this for about 3 minutes. Okay, we're just going to move them around a little, flip them over. Yes, indeedy. So I'm just going to show you how I like mine, because I'm really not an asparagus eater, but when I make them this way, I like them. So I'm going to just show you how I do mine. You could take yours out now if you don't want them overcooked, because I don't overcook them, but I don't like them stiff. I like them flimsy, if you get my drift. Yeah, they still have a crunch, but they're not stiff. Okay, so I just coated them again and moving them around. So I'm gonna let them cook about 3 more minutes. And then it'll be time to take these out. And I have a little zucchini I'm going to just drop off in here just to go on and finish up with this garlic. So see, this asparagus is almost ready to come out of this pan. So in about 2 minutes, I'm gonna take this out, you guys. Okay, so I'm about ready to take them out. So I'm just gonna sprinkle a little seasoning on mine. You could leave yours bare if you want and just have the garlic and butter. But I'm just gonna sprinkle a little seasoning on mine. And this is, you can use whatever seasoning you like. I'm using seasoned salt, garlic powder, and pepper. Okay, so I'm just gonna move them around. Mix that seasoning up in there. And guess what, ladies and gentlemen? This is done. I'll be back to plate it. Okay. I had some zucchini left over, so I'm just going to put this off in here. And show you guys something. This is just a little extra bonus right here. So I left some of the butter and garlic in the pan so that I can go on and cook the zucchini. So I'm not doing nothing fancy with it or anything. Just like coating it with this butter and garlic. I'm gonna cut the fire back up to medium for this. So I'm just gonna let them get a little heat to them on both sides. Don't take long at all. And then we're gonna go put those over there with that asparagus. So I'm just gonna add a little seasoning to the zucchini as well. Same seasoning that I use on the asparagus. And just let those cook up right quick. And then I'm going to turn them over and take them out. Okay, I'm gonna let these just cook like this for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side, you guys. Okay, see, I just turned them over. Now I'm gonna just let them cook a little on this side. And then we're gonna put them over there on that plate. Okay, you see that? Okay. Okay. Time to take these on out of here. I'll be back after I plate them. Okay, here you are, ladies and gentlemen. We got the asparagus and the zucchini. Okay, so we're just gonna I like the way everything is seasoned up. The seasoning on both of them is really, really good. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching this quick little video. I'll see you on the next one. And we're going to name this asparagus KB Asparagus. Kick butt asparagus. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. And until next time, be blessed.